What if the best camera you own isn't one you hold in your hand, but one you forget you're even wearing? That's the magic of POV cameras. Tiny, magnetic, clip-on. They disappear into your outfit and capture life exactly as you see it. No bulky rig, no awkward arm angles, no shaky handheld footage. Just pure first-person storytelling. Today, I'm counting down 5 of the best wearable cameras you can buy right now. From budget-friendly experiments to serious pro-level gear, let's dive in. Number 5, SJCAM C110. If you're just testing the POV waters, this is the low-risk entry point. It promises 4K video in a genuinely tiny body, and it undercuts the big brands by a wide margin. That's the appeal. Now, the trade-offs: it needs a separate waterproof housing, so it's not fully rugged out of the box. And it hasn't gone through extensive third-party testing yet. So take the performance claims with a little healthy skepticism, but if you're curious about POV filming and don't want to drop serious cash before you know you'll use it, this is a reasonable first step. Number 4, Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses, Gen 2. This one flips the concept completely. No chest mount, no magnetic pendant, just sunglasses that secretly record everything you look at. You get sharp 3K video, generous onboard storage, and hands-free control using voice commands. Hey Meta, take a video. Done. There's even built-in AI that can describe what you're seeing. Battery life is better than the previous generation. Now, yes, they're expensive, and in quiet spaces, people nearby might hear the audio playback, but if you want the most discreet and natural-looking POV setup possible, this is seriously impressive tech. Number 3, Insta360 Go 3S. This thing weighs almost nothing. Like a few coins in your pocket, it shoots proper 4K. And the stabilization, rock solid. You even get horizon leveling, so your footage stays balanced no matter how you move. The companion case doubles as a charger, massively extending battery life. There's also a clever remote control mode that lets kids wear it while you control recording. Perfect for genuine unscripted moments. Downsides: standalone battery life is limited, and in hot weather, long sessions can cause overheating. But if your top priority is lightweight and ultra-portable, this remains one of the smartest wearable options out there. Number 2, DJI Osmo Nano. Now we're talking serious creator tools. This one supports professional log recording. That means more dynamic range, more shadow detail, more highlight control. If you color grade your footage, this matters. The touchscreen is bright, responsive, and detachable. Slow motion looks buttery smooth, and the magnetic mounting system gives you real flexibility. Clip it to a hat, wear it as a pendant. The main limitation: no memory card slot. Everything saves internally. Still, if you edit seriously and want maximum control in post, this is a powerful pro-leaning choice. And number 1, Insta360 Go Ultra. This is the most complete package in the category right now. The battery pod includes a fold-out screen, which instantly transforms it into a legit vlogging setup when you need framing control. The larger sensor delivers noticeably better image quality, especially in tricky lighting. Stabilization is excellent, horizon balancing included, and the magnetic pendant system makes wearing it effortless. Yes, it costs more, and it's slightly heavier than earlier models. But when you combine image quality, screen functionality, and everyday versatility, this is the smartest all-around investment for most creators right now. So that's the lineup. 5 wearable cameras, 5 different styles, 1 goal: capturing life exactly as you see it. Which one fits your creative vibe? Drop your pick in the comments. And if this helped you decide, subscribe for more honest, no-nonsense gear breakdowns every single week.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I also encourage you to check out the description below for more information on the topics discussed in this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.